Hello and welcome to the Coding Bytes. I am Abhishek Parmar, and in this video we are going to see some of the job opportunities. So the first job opportunity is from Becker Hubs. So they are hiring for summer internships, and first of all let's see the educational qualification. So students should be currently enrolled in BE BTech or ME MTech degree in computer science, chemical, control, instrumentation or relevant branch, which means the candidate should be in their pre-final or final year. So 2022 and 2023 batch graduates are eligible, and with this you should be fluent in oral and written English, and you should be in your final or penultimate year, which means the pre-final year. So this is all about Becker Hubs, and the link for this page will be given in the description of this video. Now let's move to the next internship opportunity, which is from Salesforce. So Salesforce is also conducting an internship program for Hyderabad and Bangalore location, and the duration of this internship is 6 months. First of all, let's see the eligibility criteria. So candidates should be a 2023 batch graduate, and they should have BE BTech degree in computer science, and make sure you also have 7 CGPA or above with no backlog. And the other skills are also given here, which you can read. The link for this page will be given in the description of this video. Now let's see the next job opportunity, which is from InVideo. So InVideo is hiring for senior backend engineer and senior front-end engineer, and the CTC will be 15 to 25 LPA. And if you want to register for this particular hiring, you will have to click on this register for test option, and once you click on this option you will have to book your free slot, and once you book your free slot you will have to attend the test, and if you score more than 700 marks you will be eligible to interview for this role. So do check out the link. The link will be given in the description of this video. Now let's move to the next job opportunity, which is from Amdocs. So Amdocs is hiring for software engineering associate graduate, and the location is Pune. And if you want to see the educational qualification, so BE BTech, ME MTech and MCA graduates are eligible, and the streams are ENTC, CSE, IT and EC, and you should have 60% or above with no year down, which means you should not have any backlog, and only 2021 batch graduates can apply for this particular role. So the link for this page will be given in the description of this video. Now let's move to the next job opportunity, which is from Google. So Google is hiring for software engineer and university graduate, which means this hiring is for 2021 batch graduates. And if you want to see the minimum qualification, so bachelor's degree in computer science or related technical field experience, which means if you have any practical experience you can also apply for this hiring, and make sure you have experience in programming with Java or C++. And they have also given some preferred qualification. So if you have master's degree in computer science or related technical field, you will be preferred. With this, if you have experience with one or more general purpose programming language or front-end programming languages, you will be preferred. So the link for this page will also be given in the description of this video, and if you don't want to miss more such opportunities, please subscribe to the Coding Bytes, and thanks for watching.